Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make a copy of a track by M.O.S and Krasa Rosa called We Are Kids. It's really cool track. I saw a Beatport chart in organic style and decided to make something like that. I saw this track. It's in the top 10 tracks, and I was inspired by this track and really impressed of it, and I decided to make something like a copy to figure out how it was produced. It was copied not for 100%, of course, because I don't know what instruments these guys used in their track, but I heard one of the instruments in this track, something like a flute, and I decided to find it because I knew this sample from Splice, and I decided to find it and also use in this copy. Yeah, so let me show you the track. I will show you some parts of this track because I used original vocals from here. I don't want to be punished by YouTube, because if you use some not your track or something or vocals, YouTube can't show maybe this video in some countries. Yeah, the full track you can listen to in the description. I'll leave the link, and my version you can listen to in my Telegram channel. Also, I'll leave the link in my description. You can easily find it and listen to it. So let's listen to this track. So track sounds like that, and let me show you what I use in this track. I made something like a stem separation in the AI service. There was four stems: drums, music, vocals, and bass. It was more easier to figure out how it was produced because we have a bit more detailed stems, when you can hear more information, more music from them. Yeah, that's how I tried to copy this track, because I heard some parts and tried to figure out how it was produced. So we have a kick, we have two types of kick, something like a maybe shorter kick and the main kick. Sounds like that. Also we have the rhythm section. It sounds like the most organic house tracks, like shakers, hats, and clap. Sounds like that. Also we have in the breakdown something like a bongo loop and shakers. I don't know, maybe to create, to make tribe mood, something like that. We have main vocals. Of course, these vocals was extracted and the sounds not so cool quality, but I think it's more than enough to see how the track was produced. We have toms, we have sub bass, we have mid bass, it's something like a live guitar, live bass guitar. We have something like a marimba. We have other marimba melody, something like that. It appears on the main drop. Something like that. Also we have the main bass in the breakdown. It's a copy of this live bass. And we have automation, something like volume automation, because I heard in the track something like the bass, something like volume down till the end of the breakdown. Yeah, we have these something like an ARP or something. I really like how it sounds. By the way, the same preset but other melody. Also we have chords. We have pad. By the way, I made more detailed tutorial of this track, but I speak other language there. Anyway, if you want to check it out, please check the link in description. I started to talk about this track there. We have the main instrument. It sounds really cool. I like it because I heard I made a demo for one of my tracks by M.O.S, and I used almost the same sample. That's why I decided to check this project of M.O.S and figure out what exact sample were used here. I used a bit another sample, but the same library, the same pack on Splice. And I decided to use exactly this sample like in original track. Also I added something like a forest vibe. I decided why not, because it sounds cool. It not exist in the original track, but I decided to use it here in my copy. It's something like a swell, also reverb. Also reverse of this vocal effects, something like a reverse and a reverb, because we have a tail. By the way, it's one of my packs. You can download my Patreon page. Also feel free to check my links in the description. We have here something like melodies of pad. Here we have something like a music box, and we have this pad. Yeah, sounds really cool. And we have other sample from my library of atmosphere. Also I decided to use these parts of the big loop, big atmosphere loop. I really like to use these texture atmospheres because it sounds really beautiful, really nice. Also we have here something like a swell symbol. Also sounds cool, not so usual. We have a riser. Also we have these Atmo effects. Yeah, and here we have the contour melody. I don't know why they are here. I think it should be there. Yeah, we have something like 4 different melodies. It's something like a question answer type of lead or melody. It sounds something like that. I think it's really cool because it's not a EDM track, but these types of leads, melodies, something like a question answer, use in a lot of tracks, so in organic house as well. And we have something like this. And all these Atmo fixes make the track really with really good atmosphere. It sounds really cool. I like it, and as I said, I used some instruments by my own because I couldn't recognize these sounds in the original track. I don't know what guys used, what samples guys used, but I decided to make some samples by my own. I think the result sounds cool. Yeah, something like that. If you want to see how I made this track, maybe figure out some processing, some samples, melodies, etc., presets, of course, you can easily find the link in description to my Patreon Boosty and download this project. Maybe make something better, make your own track. Don't forget to change these vocals because I made something like a copy. Don't forget about it. And maybe other melodies, other samples here. You can use other chords, other harmony for your track. You can make your own track, as I said. What do you think about this track? What do you think about this genre? Please leave the comment in the description. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And the Menchi was here. Bye bye, guys.